Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my 12 days of Christmas. This is going to be the last tutorial. This is day 11. How quick did this month go by? Today's video is going to be super simple. It's a fun DIY project that you can make. And then my last video is going to be out on the 23rd, and it's going to be how I package my advent calendar and the stuff I made, and I'm going to show you everything that goes into it. Alright, so for this tutorial we're going to be making a potted Christmas tree, and it's super simple. So the first thing you're going to need is a decorative pot or cup or anything you want to use. I got this in Norway when I went to Bergen, but you can use a mug, a decorative Christmas mug, or a brown flower pot or any other decorative pot you have, or again a cute little cup like this. So this is what I'm going to be using. You're going to need something to hold the tree up. I ended up finding this stone gravel. I really originally wanted to buy a floral styrofoam that I was gonna cut and fit in here, but I couldn't find it at my local dollar store, so I went with this, and it just gives you guys a different option, a different idea. You can get decorative sand like this, you can use the styrofoam like I mentioned, you can use pretty much anything that will hold up your floral spray. And then next you're gonna need your little tree base. I found this in a Canadian store called Canadian Tire, but you can find something like this pretty much in any craft store. What you're gonna need to look for is a floral spray that will look like a really cute Christmas tree. So again, look for something like this. It doesn't have to be pink, but this is the one I found that I really liked. It could be any color you prefer. Again, if you're in Canada, you can check out your local Canadian Tires. I got this for 93 cents on sale, so that was pretty awesome. Any craft store, Hobby Lobby, whatever you have in your area, trying to find something like this. If not, you can always get a garland, like green tree garlands that have a lot of these little sprays like this that you can cut and make into a tree. So the different ideas for you guys. So that's what you're gonna need. And then of course you're gonna need some ornaments to decorate, and I have these in my stash that I got at Michael's a couple years back. So I'm just gonna pour out, okay. So instead of cutting this, I'm just gonna bend it maybe twice, because I don't have wire cutters with me right now, but you can always do that. Alright, so that's so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna continue and just add more gravel or sand. And I like that it's white because it's going to mimic snow. And you can also add like fake snow, like the polyfiber kind of fake snow thing. Cut a little piece, put it around. Maybe add some presents if you want, if you have a bigger pot and some space in between the tree. So let me just stick this in. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I know you can't tell, and I can't tip it over because it's going to spill. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know if you can tell. If you can see that. The white really shows nicely against the pink. And it looks like little snow. I love it. Alright, you can even put a little tree topper if you have a little mini like star or something. Alright, so I'm just playing around with the branches. Just trying to make it look cute. So let's start decorating. I like that I have these colorful ornaments, because I think it'll go really nicely with the pink tree. So let me start with some blue. Depending on the style of floral spray or branch you find, you're gonna need hooks because there aren't little other branches that come out, so you're gonna have to keep putting them on the same branch as the other ones, if that makes sense. So you guys, as you can see, this is such an easy DIY. You can make them for your kids, you can have them play around with you too, you know, and create some really cute ones for their rooms. You can make one like this and give it away as a gift to a teacher or a friend. They're really fun to make, and you can easily find all of these items now on sale, so it's a pretty affordable DIY. You can make a bunch of these if you're hosting a party, and you can put them around the dining table. You guys can even add like little paper notes that you can pull, and like if you want to play a game, you can do like what I'm grateful for type of thing, and they pick a note and they can talk about whatever is written on their card. Just a bunch of different ideas for this. Really fun. That is why I love DIYs, because you can make it your own and do whatever you like with it. You can even add some lights if you want. String some lights on here. That would be really cute. So I'm liking how this looks. I know you can't really tell at this angle, but I'll show you some pictures and a little video footage at the end so you can see how it looks like from the side. So I found this beaded gold chain garland, so I'm gonna try and cut a piece and wrap it around. Ideally you should do this first, but I just found it, so I'm just gonna drape it around the bottom here. It adds an extra little element for your eyeballs to look at. This is very, very whimsical. It's so colorful. I love it. I like how this turned out. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, it's a short and sweet and fast little project idea, little DIY idea for your home decor this season. It's never too late to make a little Christmas tree for your room or as a gift for anyone, really. So I hope you guys enjoyed this idea, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comment box, and I will see you guys in my next and last 12 days of Christmas video. Thanks so much for watching and following along with my series. If you have any suggestions or projects you want to see from me in 2019, please let me know. And yeah, take care everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!